So this is what you call a frog, a finished room over the garage. The garage is below us. And you have a little knee wall pocket there for storage. Let's see what that looks like. Blown in insulation. There's no light, so I can't really, but it looks clean. It's not floored, so that's not really for storage. That's just for access. Big window there, but I'm not going to mess with their curtains. And then this door here is closet for more storage. And then this door is also just access. Not really storage, but just access with insulation.